On the rise now.
Hey guys, welcome back to J Studio, and in this video we'll be going to unbox a 10-inch subwoofer from a company named Fredo that you can buy from Flipkart and Amazon. So if you want a Malayalam video of this unboxing, so I have posted it on my channel, so please do check out the channel, or I'll be adding the link in the description for that video. So anyway, without wasting much time, let's do the unboxing. And I just brought this from Flipkart and it cost about 2,100 rupees, and I think for this price this is a very good subwoofer and having a very good performance, and it comes in a very good nice packing for a subwoofer. This is a very good nice packing with thermocol, and they have given a Fredo branding there. And while doing the unboxing, let's talk about the specification of this 10-inch subwoofer. So this is coming from a brand named Fredo, and says it's made in India. And coming to the size, it is 10-inch in size, as we have already said, and it is 8 ohms in resistance. And talking about the power, it have got a 3600 watt of power, which is a PMPO of power, but its RMS power is 100 watts, and that means it can give a power of 3600 for some time, and but its correct power is 100 watts, so you can use a 250 watts amplifier, sub amplifier, to give a better performance. So initially very good subwoofer, and it looks pretty awesome. And we have also got another color, that is a red one, and that I'll be showing in this video, the picture. And initially it looks pretty awesome, and you can see that the wire connections are done using banana socket, and it's pretty weight in my opinion. And we have got that vent for that coil, and pretty weight in my opinion, and pretty decent quality. And the paper, they have used plastic kind of material for giving better output, because this is a subwoofer, right? So very quality materials is needed for this subwoofer. And they have given a very big beading, and also the dust cap is very big, and the quality of this paper is awesome. For this price, this is awesome. So this is the red one that I have already said, and same price. And we can see that about 5-inch of size, magnetic size, is there with this subwoofer, and it says Fredo, and says the peak power is 3600 watts they have given. It's already said. So without wasting much time, let's do the performance check, the performance of this subwoofer, because I'm pretty curious about the performance. And we have used a sub bass tube here, and I am fitting this subwoofer to this bass tube. So before that, let's do check out the performance of this subwoofer. So we'll be using a custom sub amplifier. This is a 250 watt sub amplifier just made, and I'll be posting the video of this amplifier, how to make this one. And so just connect and check out the performance. So please do use the headphones to get the output better. On the rise now. So guys, that's all about this video. So very good performance in my opinion. I was surprised by the performance of this subwoofer, just giving awesome output. And just place this subwoofer in your bass tube, just blast, man. This is awesome. For this price range, this is giving you better output. So thumbs up Fredo for this subwoofer, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.